Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss an important concept, resistivity or specific resistance. Now, resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, equation number 1, and resistance is inversely proportional to the area of the cross section of the conductor, equation number 2. When we combine these two results, we get R directly proportional to L upon A, or R is equal to rho L upon A. This rho is proportionality constant. This rho is resistivity of the substance. If we take a substance having 1 meter length and cross-sectional area 1 meter square, then R will be equal to rho. Resistance will be equal to resistivity. So, we can define resistivity as it is the physical property of a particular substance which is having particular dimensions. Okay, what is resistivity? It is the physical property of a particular substance which is having particular dimensions, 1 meter length and 1 meter square cross-sectional area. Now, the unit of the resistivity is ohm meter. The unit of the resistivity is ohm meter. It depends on the nature of the substance and also on temperature. The resistivity depends on the nature of the substance and also on the temperature, not the physical properties. Okay, not the length of the conductor, length of the substance, not the cross-sectional area of the substance. Okay, it depends on the nature of the substance and on the temperature. Now, resistivity of, this is the decreasing order of the resistivity. Insulators have higher resistivity than semiconductors. Semiconductors have higher resistivity than alloys. Alloys have higher resistivity than metals. So that means metal have low resistivity and insulators have higher resistivity. Okay. A good conductor, again, a good conductor should have low resistivity, and a bad conductor will have higher resistivity. Silver, best conductor. So you know that silver is the best conductor of electricity. That means silver have low resistivity. Silver have low resistivity, but we can't use silver in the transmission lines of electricity because silver is very costly metal. You already know silver is very costly metal. So we use aluminium and copper. Aluminium and copper in the transmission lines for electricity because they are cheap and also have low resistivity. Okay. Now, if we talk about the heating appliances like electric iron, electric kettle, the heating element in heating appliances is made up by alloys rather than metals. Okay, in heating appliances, the heating element is made up by alloys, not by metals, because alloys have higher resistivity. Number 1, alloys have higher resistivity, and number 2, it cannot melt easily. It cannot burn easily. Even the temperature is very high, even at higher temperature. Okay, its resistivity is higher than the metals, and it cannot burn when the temperature becomes very high. Okay. Now, we talk about the effect of temperature on the substance. For metals, resistivity increases with increase in temperature. For metals, resistivity increases with the increase of temperature. For semiconductors, resistivity decreases on increasing the temperature. And for insulators, there is no effect of temperature. There is no effect of temperature on the insulators. Now, here is the question. A copper wire of length 2 meter and area of cross section 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square has a resistance of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of the copper. We use this formula. We have this formula. R is equal to rho L upon A. We have to find out the resistivity. Then the formula becomes rho is equal to RA upon L. From this, A is on denominator, goes to with multiplication with R, and R is in numerator, goes to the denominator. Then rho is equal to RA upon L. Then what is the resistance? What is the value of resistance? Has a resistance of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm. 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. And we have cross sectional area of cross section 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square upon L. What is the length? 2 meter. By solving, we get 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. What is the unit of resistivity? Ohm meter. So, resistivity of this copper wire will be 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. This is the formula to find the resistivity of the substance. Rho is equal to RA upon L. Okay, and we get this formula from this relation. R is equal to rho A upon L. So this is very important topic. Okay, so thank you. See you soon in the next video.